Want to make quick text changes to a PDF right within Docusign? I'm going to show you how. First, log into your Docusign account and either upload a new PDF or open an existing document that you need to edit. Make sure the document is in an editable format within Docusign. Once your document is open, look for the Edit Fields option, usually found on the left-hand panel. Click on it to enter editing mode. Now, Docusign allows text editing primarily within designated text fields. These fields are usually predefined areas where you can input or modify text. Click inside the text field you want to edit. You can now type, delete, or modify the existing text within that field. Keep in mind you are limited to the areas that were prepared with editable text fields. Depending on your Docusign plan and the document settings, you might also have access to basic formatting options. Look for a toolbar that allows you to change the font size, style, or color. After you've made all the necessary edits, be sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Finish button, usually located at the top or bottom of the screen. Click it to finalize your edits. And there you have it. You've successfully edited text in a PDF file using Docusign. This method is perfect for quick changes within prepared text fields. Remember, Docusign's text editing capabilities are generally limited to these predefined areas.